I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. For example, Paulo Cruzada, na when you're trying to bully Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. Teacher May says, at the time, what's that in Tagalog words? About what she said before. Ayoko na makipag-usap kay Paulo Cruzada. You know what she said? I will never talk about Paulo Cruzada. Because I know I've been sent this death threat message that he's threatening to hostage me, to threatening to harass me. Paulo Cruzada, that's very inappropriate. You should not harass Teacher May. And what's the problem if Teacher May is an anti-Marcos, if she is a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, if she is pro-Sara Duterte, if she is a pro-Rodrigo Duterte, what's her problem? Ano bang problema nyo kay Teacher May? I said to you, Paulo Cruzada, what is your problem? What is your idea to bully the person that she doesn't do anything? Oh, you know me, I'm not doing anything bad. Kathleen Canete says to me, I don't want to harass Teacher May because she said to me, wag mo kasi awayin si Teacher May. She said to me, she's already retired. Because I know Teacher May is already retired. I know you, Paulo Cruzada, do not politicalize Teacher May. I know you, Paulo Cruzada, you are Marcos loyalist. Teacher May is an anti-Marcos. She is a pro-Duterte. She is a pro-Sara Duterte. She is a pro-Rodrigo Duterte. What's the problem? What's the problem about my former teacher in CDIFI? Paulo Cruzada, I know we are in CDIFI alongside with Lawrence Villawan, alongside with John Garcia, Jens Manaid, Apple Alday, Kathleen Canete, and even who else in CDIFI? Buddy Castro, Wawel Romero, Ate France, including Louis Texon. You remember Louis? You remember Bill Galang? You remember who else in CDIFI I mentioned? You remember Mark Pasione, Ronan Cayabyab, Diana Esguerra. All of them. Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. I was told by Ronan Cayabyab at the time, everyone are anti-Marcos. We should not harass anybody. Paulo Cruzada, with all due respect, do not harass Teacher May. Remember that. Teacher Marisa had read the group chat that you created that. You harassing Teacher May, Teacher Marisa. What's the problem? Paulo Cruzada, you're just like Kuya Dan Mardayaw for harassing Kuya Rodelio Daguman. You're always politicalize against Teacher May. You are attacking Teacher May. Not even just that, you're attacking Joseph Maspinas. You're harassing Joseph Maspinas before he was moving to Cagayan de Oro. You know what, Paulo Cruzada? You are being viral by Joseph Maspinas. Joseph Maspinas had said to you, dapat ikulong na to si Paulo Cruzada, what he said before, dapat ipulis na yan si Paulo Cruzada. And there's nothing happen, Paulo Cruzada, you should not harass Joseph Maspinas. You do not harass Joseph Maspinas because I know his uncle is going to hunt you anyway. He's going to hunt you in Metro Manila. He's going to hunt you in Quezon City. Joseph Maspinas has lots of mafia gangs, and many more. He will hunt you anyway. As well, I'm saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Joseph Maspinas and Teacher May Tiburcio. Like I said before, Paulo Cruzada, ano bang problema mo kay Teacher May Tiburcio at kay Joseph Maspinas? What is the real problem about J. Rick Silva's friend, about my former teacher in CDIFI? That's not really good. Your parents had said to you, my son is a special child. Your mother who said it to you while she chatted to Shania Kiana. Remember, Paulo Cruzada, the more as you respect, the more you harass Teacher May and Joseph Maspinas, I am telling you, here's my criticism against you, Paulo Cruzada. Do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May Tiburcio and Joseph Maspinas, they are Duterte supporters. They are pro Rodrigo Duterte. They are pro Sara Duterte. They are anti-Marcos. Respect Teacher May privacy. Respect Joseph Maspinas privacy. Do not invade their privacy. I am saying to you, Paulo Cruzada, if I were you, Paulo Cruzada, you need to go to therapy. Magpa-therapy ka na, Paulo Cruzada. Magpa-rehab ka na, like what you realize, what you made a lots of mistake. You need to rehab. Even those Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, all of you should be rehab. Like Sangkay Janjan, Nino Bersaga, Romeo TV Vlog, Nino Bersaga, even Jam Magno and Thinking Pinoy. All of you should be rehab. Even you, Paulo Cruzada, you need to rehab. You need to go to therapy. Your mom also, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, had said to you, you need to get therapy. You need to therapy yourself. Paulo Cruzada, you need to go to therapy. Me, I've been in therapy in goals since 2002, or 2001, that's year 2001 or 2002. But that time I never go to goals since 2006, but I just stopped to go to therapy. The always I do, I just stop. Paulo Cruzada, you need to go to therapy. You need to go to goals. There's no goals yet. There's a goals sa BGC in Taguig. It was mentioned by Manuel Luis Antonio. There is goals in Muntinlupa. There is a goals in Caloocan. You need to go to therapy, Paulo Cruzada. Or go to the therapy in Alres, o I mentioned by Jardino, o in Quezon City. You need to go to therapy, Paulo Cruzada, to fix your stupid mental health for what you did to anybody. Paulo Cruzada, do not harass Teacher May. Teacher May, she doesn't do anything to you. Oh, just like I said, she doesn't do anything to you. Oh, remember that? Me, the time when I messaged from Sir Calvin Cuevas, that was husband of Teacher Jessa. Teacher Jessa says to me, um, uh, kilala mo ba yan si Paulo Cruzada? Bakit ako ni-harass? What does Teacher Jessa said? So, Teacher Jessa says to me, why does Paulo Cruzada harassing me in in the group chat? And what he said to me about what is it? A rape joke. Teacher Jessa Fernandez said, and she said to me, bakit ako ginaasa ni Paulo Cruzada? So I asked Teacher Jessa Fernandez, I told her, just ignore Paulo Cruzada. Do not talk to him. Do not entertain him. When I asked her, just block him in Facebook. That's all it matters. So I asked Sir Calvin Cuevas, dude, Sir Calvin Cuevas, just block Paulo Cruzada. Just do not entertain him. Just do not talk to him. Just ignore him. Just ignore. When I talk to Lawrence Villawan, I say to him, just block Paulo Cruzada on Facebook. Do not talk to him. Like I said, when I told him, wag mo na lang pansinin si Paulo Cruzada. That's all. For me, I don't want to entertain Paulo Cruzada. I do not want to argue with him. I do not want to fight with him. It's really wasting my time if he's starting this troublemaker. Ronald Rebena says to you, Paulo Cruzada, what you did to Teacher May and Teacher Marisa, maiya ka naman.